Hi everyone, this is Zach. Today I'll be talking to you about the dplyr verbs part 1. Dplyr is one of the packages in the tidyverse. So let's load the tidyverse first. Okay, we'll be working today with the mSleep dataset. Basically, this is a dataset which contains information about how much mammals sleep. And you can find out more information about it by typing $msleep, like so. The first function that we'll discuss is the count function. As you expect, the count function counts the number of observations of a certain column or groups of columns. So for example, if you want to count how many mammals are, carnivores or herbivores or so on, you can count the name of the data frame and the column that you're interested in this case vor. So there are 19 carnivores, 32 herbivores, 5 insectivores, I didn't know there's such a thing, and 20 omnivores, and 7 unknowns or missing. You can actually count combinations of columns as well, like so count combinations of vor and conservation, like so. And you can even count functions of the columns. For example, let's count the number of mammals with a body weight greater than or equal to 100 kilograms, like so. So this means 71 mammals are less than 100 kilograms and 12 are more than 100. The next function that I'm going to discuss is the select function. This function allows you to keep the columns that you are interested in, only the columns that you're interested in. So let's say you only want to keep the 3 columns name, order, and sleep total and assign it to x. So this is how you do it. X equals select the name of the data frame and the 3 columns you want to keep. So now x only has 3 columns, the 3 columns that we're interested in. You can also use the select function with a minus to drop the columns that you specify. So if you don't want to keep the order column anymore, just do select minus order. All right, that's good. So now the order column has disappeared. At this point, I want to mention that x actually hasn't changed. The reason is because we did not assign a new value to x. So if you want to change the value of x, you have to remember to write x equals and whatever the new calculations that you want to do. And in this case, x has changed because we set x equals to x with order column deleted. All right, so anyway, in the remainder of this short demonstration, we'll be working with the mSleep data frame, which is the mSleep data frame with only 4 columns kept. The next function I want to show you is the mutate function. So unfortunately, it's not anything exciting like, the X-Men and mutations and so on. It's much more lame compared to that. Basically, the mutate function changes a data frame by adding a new column or by changing an existing column. So for example, the mSleep function, we can add a new column to the mSleep data frame. Maybe we want to calculate the proportion of sleep that is REM sleep. So REM proportion is equal to the amount of REM sleep divided by the total amount of sleep, like so. Then when you print the result, you notice that there's now a new column. which is the proportion of REM sleep. All right, that's good. The last two functions I want to discuss are the arrange and descending functions. So the arrange function sorts a data frame by the increasing order of the columns that you specify, and the descending function can be used if you want to change the ordering from increasing to decreasing order. So for example, if you want to arrange the rows in increasing order of total sleep, this is how you do it. Arrange the data frame in order of sleep total. So you can see that giraffes are the mammals which seem to sleep the least. Yep. So looking at this list is a bit depressing because, I feel like I need more sleep. Let's look at the mammals which get the most sleep instead. So now we can arrange the mammals in descending order of total sleep, and we see that, oh wow, this little brown bat sleeps 20 hours a day. Now I don't feel bad about sleeping too much compared to these bats. Alright, so that's all I wanted to show you. I have to show you for today. See you next time. Bye.